What is a snapshot multispectral camera? A snapshot multispectral camera captures multiple images in the ultraviolet, visible, and infrared ranges. Each of the images taken with a multispectral camera is passed through a filter to restrict light to a specific color or wavelength. How does a snapshot multispectral camera work? In order to understand multispectral camera technology, it is useful to consider first how monochrome and color cameras work. A monochrome camera contains an image sensor, which is comprised of a two-dimensional array of light-sensitive pixels. These pixels are sensitive to incoming light across a broad spectral range. For example, in a monochrome CMOS image sensor, each pixel is sensitive to light from 400 nanometers to 1000 nanometers, covering visible and NIR ranges. A monochrome image sensor captures light at all wavelengths and hence cannot discriminate between different colors or wavelengths of light. The images are black and white. Like a monochrome camera, a color camera contains an image sensor with a two-dimensional array of pixels. However, in a color camera, the sensor is coated with a mosaic arrangement of pigments that transmit red, green, or blue. These pigments make up what is called the color filter array, or CFA. The CFA is manufactured so that 1/4 of the sensor pixels see red, 1/4 see blue, and 1/2 see green. A raw image captured with a color camera can be thought of as 3 separate images, which when recombined through a debayering process, form a familiar color image. Spectral Devices Inc. technology employs similar principles for generating multispectral images. However, instead of patterning pigments representing red, green, and blue colors on the image sensor, Spectral Devices patterns the sensor with micro-sized optical filters that have tunable color and transmission characteristics. A raw image captured with a snapshot multispectral camera can be thought of as 4 separate images, each taken at a specific wavelength with well-defined bandwidth. For example, our RGB NIR snapshot multispectral camera has red, green, blue, and NIR bands. Our RGB mono snapshot multispectral camera has red, green, blue, and panchromatic bands. Spectral Devices Snapshot Multispectral Camera for Precision Agriculture has yellow, red, red edge, and NIR bands. Our Snapshot Multispectral Camera for Biomedical Research has bands for deoxyhemoglobin, oxyhemoglobin, total hemoglobin, and lipids. Spectral Devices also manufactures snapshot multispectral cameras with custom sets of bands. Bands can be in the UV, visible, and NIR range. Bands can have narrow, medium, or wide. Cameras can have as few as 2 bands or as many as 16 bands. Spectral Devices has the technology and know-how to solve your snapshot multispectral camera needs. Give us a call or visit us on the web, Twitter, or LinkedIn.